Hey foodies, welcome to Siddhagan Cook and have a happy Independence Day. So today's recipe is a tricolor muffin which is inspired by our tricolors, that is orange, white and green. The muffin can be made in 5 minutes in a microwave mode and it is a perfect snack time recipe. So let's start with it.
Today we are making muffins from cake mix. So take 2 packets of cake mix from the market. Do as the instructions are given. Or you can follow my steps. Take 1 cup of milk and take 1/4 cup of oil or 4 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil. This is refined oil. Add the milk in 3 batches so that there are no lumps. Mix it with a whisk. You can also use a spoon. Mix 1 cup of milk thoroughly. After mixing it, add some condensed milk. If you add condensed milk, the cake will be more sweeter and little bit softer. If it is too thick, then add little bit more milk. Mix it with a rubber spatula in cut and fold method. Now take 2 different bowls. Today we are making it a tricolor muffin. So divide the batter in 3 different batches so that one will be white, another will be orange and one will be green. To make the green color, take some green color. I am using powder green color mixed with some water. Mix it well. It is too light color. Add some more green color to make it little darker. In the second batch, add orange food color. This is the same powder color which is mixed with some water. Mix it well. 3 batches are ready in green, orange and white color. Here I am using a silicone muffin tray. You can use a microwave proof bowl because we are making in a microwave. Make 3 layers of 3 colors. Bottom will be green, middle will be white and the top one will be orange. You can reverse it also. Tap it a few times so that it is even from top. Keep the mold in the microwave. In microwave mode for 2 minutes. If it is not baked, then keep it for about 15 seconds. After baking it, let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes so that it is softer and easier to eat. Here is our muffins ready in 2 minutes. You can enjoy it that way, but here we are making some buttercream frosting. So take 3 color buttercream frosting, white, green and orange, the cling wrap and a piping bag. If you want the method to make the buttercream frosting, then say it in the description box down below. Take green color. Make a line on a cling wrap of it. Then the white color. Then the orange color. बेसिकली हमें तीनों कलर के 3 लाइन बनाने हैं. Now lift the cling wrap from one side, that is from the green side, then fold it so that the green color sticks to the orange one. Fold it properly. Now apply a little pressure so that all 3 colors stick together properly. pinch the both sides so that the buttercream frosting do not ooze out. To the tail end, apply a rubber band so that when we are piping it, it does not come out. Now take a piping bag with a star nozzle or any other nozzle. This is the attachment which we get with our piping bag. It is not important to attach it with the attachment, so you can skip it. Now follow my steps as I do with the attachments. If you have an piping bag, and if you don't have a piping bag, you can use a Ziploc bag. Take one tip of the Ziploc bag and use it as a tip for the frosting. The second attachment is fixed with the first attachment. It is really tight. Now place your cling wrap with the buttercream frosting inside the piping bag. Then apply a little pressure so that it goes down. And you can try one in the bowl so that you can see the colors are coming out very nice. Now take your muffins, which are really cooled, and apply little pressure in a circular motion. Come in the center and lift your piping bag to make a rosette. You can see it one more time. This is the flower one. Just apply little pressure and lift the piping bag up. The tricolor is coming out really nice. You can also skip this frosting. This is the high top rosette. Take the piping bag, apply little pressure, then come up in a circular motion, then lift it up. Your high top rosette will be ready. Here are our tricolor muffins ready.
So this was the recipe of tricolor muffin. It was a very easy recipe and very delicious. If you don't want to use the cake mix, then you can use my sponge cake recipe to make the tricolor muffin. If you don't have a silicone mold, then you can use a microwave proof bowl to make it in the microwave, or you can also bake it in the OTG or built-in oven. So if you like the recipe and the video, then give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. Follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram account named as Sizzle Can Cook. If you want the ingredients list and their measurements and the sponge cake recipe link, then see it in the description box down below. Stay tuned for other foodie videos. Goodbye and happy cooking, and have a happy Independence Day.